I hereby order for the immediate arrest and committal at Mile 2 Central Prison, Mr. Jaja Cham. And you, Jaja Cham.
Okay, assalamu alaikum ngal kondo ngal bismillah yet special edition of Kacha with me Wandi Fasane. B nyindo mbedana KMC la because menketa jawula nyindiko ye former acting CEO dolko former admin manager lam for admin director but anyway Jaja Cham ngala ko men ka commission la moy wala ka commission la cool moy ba fami ebe dalla tolal domandi Jaja Cham ye commissioner nata ka order pass pour yata mura ya samba mile tu baro be muna sabu amanka kuma kan men fo commission ko sala hakilo ba kanu ala video findi danu damante alonko commission ba afo kan ko ni nyini ngaro ke ko daga do be order pass la pour ya samba mile tu baro manke non dalilo pour ya samba mile tu yen silo so bari mina duna story nyin kono jana be tamilal nyala do anim mola dun tanyola o mari fongo inata wala samanang anum bid sedolu men fana yalan ko wala bata ko nyen kalam so as we go on you'll get this story so in essence your order pass len dul mantra Gambia nda fono fana hanbe Gambia nda fono fata da famanta ndol simen fono wala ka reporting ke men kita ba ni be reporting kala si kumo report mi yalan ko wala kita fa mal tu fata mal tu ndo folano but your order pass le so al nga story nga dati Patrick ning memu lead council di Patrick ning Sarata Sarata Jaide baring Jaja Cham ni wala dunda nyola me yalon ko procurement officer le matinum won mo Jaja Cham benum KMC so bari Patrick ning ke Sarata Jaide la exchange alkana wala ma ali ngal la moy Patrick la.
Okay. Yes, honorable commissioners, honorable chairperson, we called back this witness, Sarata Jaite. She testified sometime last week in her capacity as a procurement officer in relation to some transactions that she witnessed in her capacity working for KMC. We have received a complaint. She gave a statement to the investigators on the 7th of November 2024 regarding the fact that she was attacked in her office by the then acting CEO Jaja Cham when she testified before the commission with respect to procurement issues that she was asked before this commission, and she provided answers in that line. And therefore, having said that, we have her statement, and so we think it's a very serious matter that the commissioner should be aware. So we decided to call Madam Sarata Jaita to hear from her regarding this complaint.
Okay, so in essence, Patrick Bafo kan commissioner ko nyin na jana testify rajang na ta itan fana ko bira boda janga taral dogo dara KMC Jaja Cham tata no majila na dunta je so lafta ka nyin ka ko la pour sedolam evidence len so sarata mina sarata nyin kala sarata ya be sata mineketa. Okay,
You can proceed.
Thank you. Madam Jaita, you're welcome again.
Thank you.
You gave a statement on the 7th of November 2024.
Yes.
Regarding issues concerning the then CEO, Jaya Cham.
Yes.
Can you please explain to the commissioners what happened?
So, it was the day after I appeared here. In the morning, when I was just entering the office at the corridor, I met with Mr. Jaja Cham. He told me, I had you and your former boss testify before the commission yesterday, and I told him yes. He said, what did you say? I told him, you have been appearing before the commission, and I've never asked you what you said. So if you want to know what I've said, you can go and watch, but I will not tell you what I've said. And he said, okay. So I went to my office. I was there until around 12 in the afternoon. When he pushed the door, he came in and started insulting me. He told me that I'm a wicked person, I'm a liar, and that he will destroy me for going to the commission and mentioning his name.
Yamale, ako Jaya Cham ka ba tinyala la ba kasa aba treating kan nyimu walti. Anu ngalo na ko Gambia ni ko mo embe tinyala e kamna mi wala ni ko especially nyimu fanding gelda basila la basila la nyina ko nyimbita la doku la ka ko tinya. So namol je ka fo be nyin sifal defend lam like alman la alala. Anu yudi bin kol nak I'm not even going to do a one. I'm just going to make this statement. Alanga nyawunyulla nga jamfanyulla. these people have nothing to do with the dollar elected official or membiji mo bele ka moy jang hani telephone ali yala interview la ma ka me itanda la wala ngano yodol fon be talib la me keno mo nekata because sembo men be tulubulu ani sembo men masakunda bulu iman ki kanya sembo men masakunda bulu hani bi wala siata ni mo nyawndi jamal men dunda ku kono masakunda le appoint ye keje so ka fodron KMC lem ka fodron ko BSC lem it's not directly wala na alkar call follow ali alfan kalamutandi ali alfan fahamde because dolbi je wali alon ne bari comme mala fi to nyawndi way nakitol be dawda dron ya understand regardless blind support ha itolbe dawda ku tlimbal ku nyawni kana misali to la fang don't listen to them. These are not our people. Jaja Cham askeno ni UDP masakunda be wi nenata appoint la adon nan UDP masakunda be nani sibake mba busala be yaro lale ko loi ya fanyame busa loi busa yaro mendin. So this has nothing to do with that. Ngajala do mani oketa I don't want to go back there, you know, but nal dani please alenga nyawunyul la talib manual appoint asembe fa hotela in fact biraka be CEO bayla manaka wodmo la man na ka CEO in fact atala CEO ne sande at least I CEO mesro mo masar because manaka nimmen nata kurungolu ani dundanyola way buje doena webuje doena anasi yo do dundanyola fon la interview la banga ba fo kan ko ha ate woko itole même fa boleke because loi wolof birata fa do ko study to ko itolla kan wanyande tamala wol masakunda ko hani inata kala banko fona bay ya bayla. So ninto la mol kallo kalamta baliya ning comme dolbi je mala mu bandir kensen si fala fongo be feñol wala mu ku si fala be ñol fo no politiko kalamta baliya ala nga nyawu ñol la barola mol lañu baro ñol le appoint anala government mol CEO and finance director. Do we have to keep repeating this? Sarangata.
Now, is that all?
Yes, but before that, the day that this happened, it was the third time. Before that, he attacked me when I went to see the investigators. After seeing the investigators, I think he was called. So when he went there, he came to the office and told me that I and Sirif were called before you. And we told the investigators that we know nothing about this said payment involving Kanjura's trip to Senegal. And when you were called, you told them that we know everything. You explained to them how everything happened. I told him yes. So that was his first attack. And the second one was the following day of my appearance in the morning. And the third one was around 12 p.m. in the afternoon.
Okay. Again, it's all about Kanjura la case. Nga video ke nunjana na last two programs mentambida nga ke jela kununko baba kununko programo Kanjura ninjaja cham ani wato mena wata iba treating kan kafa ko iba silani kan ko namang na tenten ka cancel nyina ga question le basa mama tul membe kerno wala nyini ko ay invoice fulal dada be Kanjura nyane kata Dakar ka maintenance kije recito nyung be nyanda tala 1,666,000 amanka 1.16 nda kanata manu ngafu no video do but it's 1,066,000 ni bulldozer la maintenance jiba nin Kanjura nyanda tala ko do men so I all muta ya split I receipt full dada I invoice full dada ka do ke jam 491,000 ka 480 something for 60 something thousand ke jam so ka fulati bari namam futa 500,000 amanjera ya futandi no pour cancel la level thereby ay munege ay Talib Ahmed Bensouda ala mula wol fay ko male atadama ataniyan tafana menke la loi men lawo ka wala ko anin contract committee si ya ko kaja abugo okay aka dinu nyi sarta nyi men ka diamote aka kaytol dinu nyulla o kaytol pour wali yol mutaye process ya ke ko men ko modo fana interest so mo company fula watra o mansur yenyim tapale ya ay wala kenon so aka fo la ko sarta ka fo la ko ayen ko la ka fo nyako ha yemna fa investigator le yendol nyi nga Kanjura nyola ko wala Kanjura la Dakar ta ko wala ngoy ko man fel lonje anatla bege procurement aya kayto la nyi le bloko ni yalo nyinta fan difen nyinta obe dabal ko men kita jaran kayto lu biji ital lono la forof la di ngoy ka fa man soto. It cannot happen.
Thank you. We will give you your statement of the 7th of November 2024. Please go through it.
Yes, this was the one.
We apply to tender the statement of the witness, Sarata Jaita, dated 7th of November 2024.
Okay, nyumala 7th November statement or the statement jumala wodi wala nyini ko bring nya attack after of course council nyole ya command commission of prime night statement odi so ko wala itandalate so ni statement o man kala statement doldi nyumala normal I meant the in relation to anin jaja chamla dunjolo ko wala itandalate akaya sutel den de process
evidence as an exhibit.
The statement made on the 7th of November 2024 is hereby admitted in evidence as an exhibit and it is marked as LGC/SJ/KMC/003.
As the commission places,
yes.
Was your boss present, Abdullah Jane?
Yes, he was present. He was the one that pushed him out of our office, and then he made a call to the CEO informing him of Jaja's action, but then the CEO said he was in a meeting.
Who was the CEO?
Paset Sise.
Who else do you know was present?
My colleague Jara Bajo.
Jara Bajo.
Yes.
Chairperson, unless there are questions to the witness, we would intend to call tomorrow or at any given time.
So no, you may proceed to call the two if you have witness.
All right. Thank you very much, Madam Jaite. Yes, you may wait outside. You will hear the other two.
Okay.
Okay, so ikare boje sai fitno nyin kida menyala ane meme no office kono sai wala ko manda pour
Mr. Witness, kindly take your seat.
so wala na daga si sai wala bina diamana
Mr. Witness,
then you for la testimony
continuation of your testimony before this commission of your inquiry into local government councils and related matters. I want to remind you that you are still under oath before I hand you over to Madam Chair for us to proceed.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Madam Chair, I hand over the witness for us to proceed.
Good afternoon, Mr. Jane.
Good afternoon, ma.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you, ma.
Council, you may proceed.
Thank you, Honorable Chairperson. Mr. Jane, you're welcome once again.
Thank you, Council.
You gave a statement on the 8th of November 2024.
Yes, sir.
Regarding the issue of one of your staff,
Yes, sir.
Sarada Jaite,
Yes, sir.
involving complaints against Jaya Cham, the then acting CEO. Do you recall this?
Yes, I recall this, sir.
We will give you your statement. Please go through it.
Yes, sir. This is the statement, sir.
Thank you. Now, Sarada Jaita testified here
Yes.
before you today. She explained that when she testified sometime last week in relation to what she knows about the procurement activities in KMC and also the certain payments made to Kanjura Kani.
Yes.
She was attacked by the then acting CEO, Jaya Cham. And at some point of the altercation, you were present. What do you know about this?
Yes, I'm the one who tells Sarada to make breakfast for me. Otherwise, I don't between 10:30, 11. And I take the key of the restroom to go and wash my hand. I went to the restroom. When I was coming back, I opened the door. I found Sarada standing. He's talking. But me, I don't talk to Sarada. I talk to Jaja. I tell him, Jaja, what's happened? He tell me, Sarada, come here and lie to him, to the commission. I told him, Jaja, you are too senior to come to this office and attacking a junior staff. Even me, you are my senior. But he don't even answer me. He walk out and go. I take my phone and call the CEO, Paset, sit and tell him, because Paset is our boss. Paset is in a meeting, he will talk to him. It's where I stop until we go to the police at Kanifing to get a statement. And that day also I called Paset to come. Paset come. When I take my statement there, I left him with Paset and go with Sarata and Jara.
Very well. Is that all you know?
Yes.
And how did you see Sarata Jaite in that state?
What?
What did you notice when the then CEO Jaya Cham left the office?
Sarata was very angry, and she was even crying. I told him stop this cry.
Thank you very much. Are there questions for this witness?
No question.
Thank you very much, Mr. Jane, for your evidence regarding this issue.
Thank you very much, sir.
So
that is the last witness we have for today regarding this issue. We have a statement from Jara Bajo.
Is the person here?
But she's not present. And I see it is time, but Honorable Commissioners and Chairperson, if you permit me a minute to address the court on this issue. I believe interfering with witnesses is a very serious issue. And the Commission knows more than I do that the Commission had been very much indulgent and exercising restraint in trying to punish people who have acted unruly before this Commission. And that I must commend the Commissioners. But going to the level of interfering with the witnesses, to us, the lawyers, is really unbecoming of any civil servant or any person that appears before this Commission and cannot be tolerated. And I urge that the Commission should take an action and issue an order for Mr. Jaya Cham to be arrested and detained in Mile 2 Central Prison or any nearest police station, and to come and show cause at a date given or appointed by the Commissioners as to why he should not further be committed for these actions, and also the matter to be not referred to the police for further prosecution. If you look at the Criminal Code, Section 106, in relation to offences relating to judicial officers, it has talked about offences in relation to attempting to interfere with witnesses that testify in judicial proceedings. It says a person who, paragraph F, attempts wrongfully to interfere with or influence a witness in any judicial proceeding, either before or after he or she has given evidence in connection with such evidence, commits an offense, and is liable on conviction to an imprisonment for a term of 3 months. Now, the interpretation for judicial proceedings, Honorable Chairperson, can be found in the interpretation section of the Criminal Code, page 21. It says, judicial proceedings includes any proceeding had or taken in or before a court, tribunal, commission of inquiry, or person in which evidence may be taken on oath, or before a district tribunal, whether such tribunal takes evidence on oath or not. So this particular proceeding is a judicial proceeding, and this, in addition to many laws and regulations, the witness, if found wanted by this commission, when he testifies subsequently, the commission may make interim orders or make subsequent orders in relation to prosecution or otherwise. And that being the case, we will apply that the witness be arrested and detained in the Mile Central Prison and to come and show cause at the appointed time. Thank you very much.
Okay, so commissioner at this level, judgment on you, order rather, so she's just coming to deliver that. Now deliver that's going to be the end of it. But to those of you, many along, you doubt the competence or the capabilities of the court. Listen to what Patrick said, or you go and look up the laws. I mean court. I mean, Commissioner,
that upon application by counsel and having listened and having heard the witnesses, I hereby order for the immediate arrest and committal at Mile 2 Central Prison, Mr. Jaja Cham, and you, Jaja Cham, will appear before this commission on the 14th of November 2024 at 10:30 to show cause why you should not be prosecuted. I make no further orders.
Okay.
As the commission places, we are very grateful for
Your orders have
the
been.
granting of our application, Honorable
Your application have been granted.
Chairperson.
Okay.
We may rise. And kindly bring me the committal to sign.
Okay. Commissioner is willing to put her signature on that. So, okay, this is not the end of the program. So, many are long ko, malong Gambia mo lafta mo kusifanya dilla. Jaja menke dolbije ya understand still now they want to say ko who will want ndella society ko nambe kuluda society men ko mo buga ngane mo fa preda kasoto mo buga saya ngane moye mo buga sasa ngane moye mo buga sorondiro ngane moye mo buga lanjur ngane moye ese mo ko nyaawa nyay buga nyul ngane. But why do you think moment nara commission do sarta nara commission da testified and I thought come malaf ka diamos and what about testify ala statement of but 3 times sinya saba jaja ka attack nyin ko ako force jaja nyin ka lumina ko nyeme kala jaja nyin kala yemu ne ngamale ko dara commission do ako ha itara jela ka ngamem foje pour mo fole pour mo itara jela men nyin ga kana nyin kan dala ngala mo jaja mala moy folo so abije few hours later rek jaja na rano mo office of course ngala ko maybe ala testimony la moy a comfort that's the same jaja men kana commission da ka sira aba nemo melesi na be tankundi e kamera ko c'est very gentleman ay daji kol men exhibit ay tandile ko mom moy hadama no fon lo e bal nako abe me yitande ka wodular afon as a passing ntaw fola bari comme abe me yitande ka wodular amanki daji ka kendete amam betia as a senior civil servant jaja is a very senior civil servant in case you do not know namaga civil servant man dolba sila janan kala kuma fon abina commission no because wo kolo men be dunda ko abul to me dunda abul so these are some of the responsibilities many along ko they come with leadership, they come with position. Palaso ne nyine kanade palaso ka dia mole but they don't want to take responsibility foja yeda mala apia commission de ndular many along ko ila monyole testimonial ki jemen man and this can be a hint ko askino modo diara fang because sarta yin case solmen side why tan lego brin sarta fon kana yin dular testimony she was already under fear wala na the commission is struggling with a lot of people but I because a witness do testify je wonya kala mo be example a very likable character in the name of Jammeh UDP councilor mbo KMC ni mindo councilor like KMC bako is it bako there bako there you know at first appearance I think it was yesterday he looked a little bit nervous but today he was a bit more relaxed when he came to realize some of the things ikenyi nga kudola maybe kodola filter jabara make ko ikafole ko italata no they want to know okay itamu witness already ngwengedenyal but in essence many finance in some of his cases they are the ones to answer for it but it after yet as a witness so if you come to understand some of those dynamics it is not as if come a betel and norma dromomo na je betel and norma you need to relax and understand the proceedings you need to relax and understand and it is not just about come corruption or the malafide they also need to know munemu local government issued what are some of their constraints Adambaro act on it or not. Another government can look at these records of only this commission comprehensively, the system or diagnose to find out a solution. Ultimately, I welcome this commission wholeheartedly. I welcome it. But on Adiata, I can Adiata Kanaki. Akanada mal. Adu menu fanal ka fo ko ko commission o mal ibela power transgress kana you need to understand ko Gambia system o kabrin 19 hoya kabrin jawra jamane. Nyum commission ol dalta kekel. Yeah, understand? And in special investigations and stuff like that. So they have been very well catered for in our legal framework. Online loyal ndete wol dankula. Ite ne woni faylam kilindi akaiti tetable. Ite manki loyati. Ite ko be mol advisor social media kana wol dangu. Patrick ni malom Patrick is not just your ordinary lawyer go. Patrick munung for second class or first class magistrate le kanifin kabri ya jamano. By the way, wala na commission of no is good because Patrick testified al nun TRRC kaitanda balanta nun nyame ya natle as an example. Okay, ya lon TRRC mo fala le sitawr. Can you imagine Patrick for sira TRRC. Natun commission of be kam mo jawol drone no. Patrick tina nun je, bari Patrick sama nun je, Patrick Gomez na le nun je. Kaitandi ko what kamul ya kalam mun system ko. Patrick was a witness. Just like ko sana sabal mun witness tinya. Just like ko Edward Singata monu witness ni nyame bari ni nara jibe inata dalilo men naje ye menke fo inata ye man killing Patrick Balanda no lota no system wala nyato system o kaba tamponna ala nata dema manfa ala nata dema kumankala ala nata dema kalamanfili ala nata dema manfili ko konon keso because I menke odularo ate fon la fa ko prosecutor le nata yatra office ayetile neda to nyala fo ndela la kumola ko prosecutor de ako men nata state to yala wolma ta muta ka intimidate ako e kayne ko nyin case de ke ba fon nyaton ko ko lafta nyin ko e bambi mole ngamera it was the case of mole soldier target checkpoint or tampon something like that oh no bortala man lola so bundiro keta so bundiro nyin kono musudo bandaj moto nyin kono ataba moto men kono so ya jambe fon le interest ko nyeto pour Patrick kidio tay instant akona ay okay aber the right of the accused abole fengel so bari the prosecutor not la I don't la ko nyina fon ako kiti mo be kerne unconventionally interrupt kana kaidanda kasamba officer kaidanda ko nyine be jere ñu lafta ñu kito bambi aman son so not in that kaidandi mo lako okay system wala be nu jande aka tama nun tenne interference ka just that interference men karu kayno system okon il lafta ka wala highlight so it has Patrick la testimony need ne wol so ani sida commission sarta membe ke ngawar sarta ba testify kan ko le kita no menal ko manyanno wol sarta kilingo ko abindo office Inara Travel, a system of answer, and she can learn one or two things from this and become a very good civil servant out of this. So amanga ko nina ra commission ro ito be tinyata le nina ra commission ro itla dunia be tinyata wala fi hani that's why nka fo namule ko ali nga relax ndole ala mol ni ko kiti bon ni ko alta commission e ka commission jela ko kiti bon lam bari ni commission ka be kugela e ko almanke kiti bondi. So ndola legal framework, these commissions have been very well catered for. Sembo balale. In fact, aliamo ele yafale ko aning high court be mu sembe kilingo. Nga dolje ka fo bo question. Ngo muna mome yalon ko loyal mati, mome yalon ko jojo le mati, mome yalon ka legal practice ke Gambia sanji jeli. Obe sino la tele nyato jadi la ka kumovo. Aka fo nyine ben yen sembe karle din na commission la. Ni in fact why do you think we crazy la no enough atabe mo whole kanto account ali expect ko be sila ka fani yavo wonyama amanke wonyama te kino la wonyama mbading sembo nyimbe jele na legal framework ala jibe ron kabira tuma commission nyim fembo kabuje bar ndalta ka commission leke so commission o e meitandi wala commission na system ko no sembo diala commission o sembo soro ni ta man nyillo e malo ni man songa man songa bar commission o sembo soro Mama sabali mabali jan produit ka dogo imam business la recommender ko mas ko kana contract di la ko rek Gambia yamo doli ko kana public service ke for until ya Adam Barrow tara yo bondi illegally on Mamad Sabali in the case of Mamad Sabali bari nal banko loi ko Mamad Sabali case nga fale nu ñane ko fana be kiri bu modal thank you kek sane nga me rek kek lew ko fana sama kiri bu modal wajibe gana Adam Barrow ma any rights ko Mamad Sabali fana bondo ñan an wajibe wo Mamad Sabali la ban yimbo dami commission la recommendation. So people start to question. Niaje nyimbo sila repeatedly abafala ko mbey samala maltu fanyin til nangam fotil lurba fotil sababa sembo nyimbala le abejele natije ni ka commission lo parliament la act nganyu tula nyimfola nimbe kachala nko loi ni ko lo ka fala what is the source. If you cannot find a direct link between any legal instrument or any article of law directly, it cannot be sourced to the constitution. That law cannot be the law of the land. And here commission jibe abota mintole act of parliament like a commission on London. Act of parliament mune ono because constitutional ko parliament se act of parliament use nole as an instrument pour que commission da ka constitute mbading ñi ñom fen constitution lo ngene ta fo mo jala. Loi ka tamate de wala nang yalon this worded constitution constitution me ko akala kumol ka sia Gambian delta walla fon se nyokaran delta walla ni ta constitution be ngela no nyita no constitution bu ka tamo nyaa ni ta America nyol do constitution dinne be je bu ko nding ni ta Angleterre man constitution fon so o be munam constitution la tamanya aka framework frame aka wala dada man sakunda la framework aka wala dada be tamala nyame atata na da wolem pour isaje ko mansala sembo kana tinna akana ke ko samo anim banku dingol temo kana ke ko samo ne duntuma lam ka tame kan don ka tambe because ne luwa de kering hana manke mansane de luwa ni ba karane of course, okay. Niba jibela, let me just say it like this. Ika jibela ko adati ta nyadi le loi fon mo fon mune fon loi fon data nyadi. Ne loi fon kere mune beka. Ne loi ta kere aske non ten mbonyo dolu. Ndelte keno la ndelte fem fon soto no la by way of cover jamunna dulaldi by way of cover ko ngani ne sanno because mo dolu bi je men sembo warne wobo tano lambulle ne loi tije. So nyine mu loi nato mo nyine kabirim from the beginning na nyinte kamolu tanka anila fengolu. So niya loi dada iko nyine banko la luati na fali wato si de dabula jide bari bu ko loi question na fali wato si wala ni ta famo data bula ku kon ni ta man lawo loi la bita kiti bundolto ya fo ko nyimbe constitution o kono de hanar no be constitution fo kon isa fo no ko nyinnin constitution la nato manta because constitution o ka dalile ala commencer dula ka preambulo so la aka fo ko nta constitution o nato mo nyinninade so wo kola asina fendo safe konoto men ya lonko ana nato be bola nyokoto ya famle isina je ko fendo stara constitution kono ya comme exemple ni ko Adam Barrow ko mo protest la nyama mambe dia isida no kidi mo ya tan dila ko Adam Barrow ko ninto be protest la ntol nyanta police wala ya wala fenkol din bar constitution on nato mente ay même fois ko ntol nyanta right to expression freedom of expression nyanta sot lale as a fundamental right woto ni ko ntol nyanta la police wala ya ye pamito din that means iba conditional la kan na right me yalango constitution ko anato mente ni mun to la fundamental right let ya je luwa kata manyame it is not that complicated if you know the basics kudol bije wol si meseya bar ni ajibe overall amo be ko like if you will just use some common sense and ye reading demanding ke yala fundamentals will understand. So loi betenne nyimmu luwalti commission la legal ning illegality ndemalo mul ko and the records are here. Adam Barrow na der hanti RRC na e bang ka implement the recommendations inshallah sabirina ni mansa kunda donar fa be jarera TRRC do la bang hani ata jarela ka commissioner ning loyal ning ka whole commission kutolo banko yo kodi do men spendje we findings all menge will be already witness testimony and everything investigational kedale conclusional droda jumale bul dun taminto a belontal ni mansa donar imagete da hata woto ngamere ya jame tarun ko la jame da daro ke ko to jan pour ga ya jame tarun ko la men nyara banko ko la kono ka da muna ba nambe fola wala nin TRRC ni nyin document sifal bebe jang at least abe makole also institution han TRRC ni ajiwe modol na te testify daje yewol nat le pour institutional Kenya kama ke diagnose kala mu institution sifal be jang institutional ka tamanya di do be keje ke nyin ka ko men they even try to know okay ite biri nyin ke ke mira no ite mine mira because imu hadaba ite as human being nyin kete nyala yemune passive as human being nyin kete nyala meya ke wala meya fo yemune passive ala ko you want to understand what is happening at the time ado hanu ko nyim commission do comme nyimbe mbara council men na ko kuna ko toke liyo nyi such a nice man, such a gentleman aka balana but he has to reset back to his default setting. That is, he's a total gentleman, he's a nice guy and he has to show it. Absolutely. Alabi testimony was very very good. The Jameku Nangoji, it was good. It's simple. It doesn't mean they are just trying to dig something on you. You know, we need to understand what the heck is going on here. Adu nyimfana commission for niya jibe overall. Namo for ka bon damento. Tonyala jaja nala moliye bondi role kele. And what be file like kanyama is good. But overall, not nung kombe tilingo tamandila. Mo be nyanta menjila nyim commission wala nyini ko menuka namo collect. Ni problemo be nyin dulalto. Namo collect lal kono. Namo ka kaning system o men aka system o men implementa pour que namo kaning ñinem problème oti overall ñinem problème oti ani ñing executive CEO ni malama chief executive officer president kamen appoint finance director admin director ñille ka je problème oti barna man kewti mbadi ala nga ñoo kono to diya nga to ñafa ñoy to ñaman ko leya wallahi ndega men jete so far so good KMC fendi jam men sey fo asia nyindode kamunda alafta manela de institutional failure mina you agree or not ibe sonnala ko Gambia overall we have problems when it comes to our institutions, the institutional reform but ofana na to mentinak nga lonko like many of the governments like 99% of the bad government it a good intentions lesono but it results like a bad. When they set up a commission like this, they have good information. Ko nam kaninal, I can tell you this is a very important part of it. Nam kaninal tapale amenke they knew about it, and the fact ko there was no comprehensive plan ka namol kaning namol be likane everywhere ni tata hani biya mambang dulal bi jite banna mo jamal be gambe memba flende ntabu kana mojo na ko ray bu ka lempo kaning adon han mo kulde kabrim na empire jamano mul kan lempolu jole. These are not happening. So they are trying to bring a comprehensive system. You are saying no, which one to which one, which one juma kajuma which one jam mina nan talib la fenkoro. Because actually in the program on one of the things that I wanted to address wala kunu talibi fenke do like interview do like QTV ha ñu waro ko na ba mandi mbak ngalong kenne woni ñu waro ko na fanade ay ñomin ko la ataya minne lafta men fola wala ñi ko al ngal la mo yala ñola but ye adama je bu banko anu to conclude this commission I remember indicate ni nga moy nak mon ka fa Gambia du dem ngi akan dimile because I love that country very well, very much ni nga moy Gambia du dem bari badi ne mul daji ko jibe ani hanyita nyame kan karo fasa mukale ko nyimu ku simple no nyimu ku ndindinati me yalon ko simple ni has nothing to do with our elected officials ni mol me yalon ko yewole appointed nata la sunyar bulol be findigan ko ngedi fen ni ma ko anyita toñat anyita toñat. Bring your evidence. Go and bail them from mile 2. Or in the case of Jaja, go and bail him. You know what? So Talib la ñun interview ñu jamfata demanding ay kuma Jamal la fo kuma kende Jamal but he brought out something. I wish he'd said this in the malla fa ñim fo membe keri nama the KMC radio bari mbot yalla njan e call be siar ali lama mistake dal man na call present ko janne minawro Fabu Sane American wala mol ma ko de Fabu nin dinni mo be ñola America Saudi Arabia ala Africa la hajoti nya na dinni woni na la hajoti nya ala bole America ji ala State Department ha jang compromise ti jede yalla mboda mo do la hajiti nya ko mo fu gande Fabu fana be dinni dol no boy dol no ma na hakilo bakam boy dol ma video ke ñu wado ko na ba fu kan ko men ko ha Saudi Arabia because yalla baroño lañu programme mo yalla ko mol ñendra Spain ngamay ko jaman fana interest ko gameno dol nya sidano jaman Spain Saudi Arabia bo ñimbe story la jeldo ako atede ay ala tentu atata be damendo Saudi Arabia ako itolna da bayri toltam scholarship wolta ko do dila stipend o ka fengo be dila bara ko base on abe do ko men na Saudi anaka men nu jiji ako mo men yalon ko leftana la kana ñim binde an yal ni domestic do ko ning ku ko tan wala ako atete ala do ko bulala Gambia ayna wala ala bachelor's degree soto ayo bula jay na Gambia ayna Saudi Arabia kana do ko sifalaji ñim boy ñi ko mol na ñol lel fa la video do overall ala ko mo la guest be mo wolti ko mol me yalon ko do ko bal bul Gambia mol me yalon ko degree tiol le mal ti Gambia dol me yalon ko kol man ko le abakal bul Gambia ntete mo encourage pour yo jebula yena Saudi iko kana e man na study la ko study am bala wala ako bari ñin domestic work ako because abuse ñol lekka ko bungol kono men yalon ko bu ka report abuse ñol lekka ke dulal ko men ndal ka ñame everywhere ñin domestic by the way bindani ya fama mona ñanta ñoo yamaro alten dahalam bindani ya dol man kam bindanti nani tubabo ni na je ka do gola dila muna katina ñul kamere ko tol they will not work, they need domestic workers mo fi ngol does this not remind you of a very terrible time in history muna bat ne tebe findila itebe kandila o banko fanga ka fo ite kadam bindani yalla arabu du mbadi alanga hakilo duman alanga to yalla kana ñu malondi wayi ñin kamol malonde ñin kan defa malule people are thinking of kata bindi an yalla arab du what is that domestic work land most of unfortunately the suitable candidates mostly musollam before you realize unfortunately some of them they get raped alanga to nyafanya ke nyapin kambu e bungo nyum fankono istara kewe do ko la nala musobe je ya ona sana despite that ibela dingo tekela kewe ni muso ja ka nyapi kan akela nyoya ite hanila fembola mo sila fi katra balu sifa kon ma fo la ka Saudi me in general la bar bo nye discourage meno ke nyum ko la ko mol men kana ka fo bita Saudi ni mina na kana na nyin kama ko ha nde kana na binda nyin comme ku ko tan wala men yalon ko domestic work ning ku ko tan me yalon ka manga study aka ba mol discourage la wala pour yana fa bu ñul ba ñen doki bo ñi ba no may ba patandi kan fa bu a lot of evidence have already been gathered on him. I can already tell you that for free. I'm not going to go into details. Fabusan. If push come to shove, we will prove. Because this is what he has been doing. But I don't remember America. Now I'm boyonyima. Na report for iko yo deport. Alf na report ala State Department. Dukare. alfana report state department because nyimbo be même foka be mo le protect kan abe human right le fight kan literally ngamoy ko na mofin malon na mofin kalabante dole ko le finti faka diamu aka yegambe non na fika ya jele aka finti aka diamu ni arabu kan la ko bo la ko address pour saudi authority salon nyimbe obe menke kan can you imagine gambe no ka finda be anyon gambe no address la ka arab kan fo o nyon na fika ya la be kering alafta arabul yamoy wo boyo kamem fo pour ka number in saudi arabia isa menke no wala ya deport adon bo nyu ya fala diamo kono am not so fo midai mo so la pour ko video be ke jam bara ko niya deport fana be ala taala lay say gambe ko gambe ma yalati bar fa bu sana la bano ma duma andi oda boy nyi ngamoy ko fana fo airline lo babul nun gambe fa be airline ko do bang pour min yalon ko travel agency sorry pour ka mall transport gambe in saudi arabia tema human trafficking la wodi in fact by the way nalmalo I'm going to say it as it is ni ka mol sabe karam bindani ala be human trafficking la hani masa kunda wala ka ke be human trafficking la al mol sambe ta do ko la ye jo salary la bari kom kata ni domestic work la man jare la sako na musol nalbe musol dundi je o kan kamfal because ikate reple ikate nyapin kanne ike nyapin kanne ila do ku dulaldo ikamenke la jab ka betea ye nya umola fatela bari ka pare ni la muso tije ika nyapa kan this is the hard fact ñun topi ko dol they are uncomfortable but that's the hard fact wala mto ñaati aka keten ika ñapin na musul kan ika ku trimbal bal kela so nit ñi mbo fokan ya understand ajibe ko spend me ba fokan de yume ba fala tuba mu kafirol de anola bari kata do ko laje ikata do ko laje they are going there to work ñim pomu katol nin ku ko tangol lam ya understand because pomol nin fengol men ya lon ko seasonal lat ne ka kati ale lemunol ba do no so mo jama be yute utano la full time job la bar ni season si la demand ka siya ibuka monsoro so ni fo ninkel nantan gambia hani ko karworo damma yitara pomi katola fo karworo mbade mo ala tan tolti ise do ko ke 12 hours gambe no ba manta do ko la sago do ko sifa men ko di kendo bije ni be do ko la spain at least ngala kete nyawnya 8-9 euros per hour be jola wala manje wages lo nyawnya but considering membe 8-9 euros minimum be jola wala gambe no bo busala la 12 hours abakela nyande wo nyande dolbi da kar wor hani ko man fenit they are going to do it you know when we have that link and especially these people are willing to bring 2,000 people that is good but je mbadi mindania al nga jeke ñoy wala al wo bulaje ñun ñaw ni ñawnta ikam ko ñawnta mol fatela ika ñapila musul kan ni dimitale baake billahi wallahi tallahi ni ngamira la kante aka dimisiva men kenna in as much as I don't speak frequently about it aka dimisiva men kenna it's just crazy so fabu sana be ñim boyo koto kol kan duma wala aba threaten kan ka force pride apology ke publicly mena ñim boyo ñim kumof bayra des fabu be saudi jel dugo ngal danato membe america nim fabu ñim boyo la hajoti nya bayra full scholarship wala babula ndabe doku kendo la because ako abe doku wala na kala job experience mo amala job for directly description for bara kala job experience ni I mentioned je wala based on that I don't know call men kake anu anyon gambe no la be konoto diaga fabuna bonyolu ani nyim boyo men malaf ka to fo jam because ya kaf nyoma do fo mun kaf nyoma de la faka dia mo le folo anal balla kafir yala because atul manke muslimati nal balla kafir yala alfata mo la molma nal bita bulala mol do no ma joy yala alentol bulaje alfata molma ite be keno la muslima hakka on nyaadi la mo sida to nyaafo e kata ko kele ite ko kadi am ñon gambe no le ka arab konfo ite kafiri la muti ni ko kafiro ma fa ko men e manke muson to la mol gambe mo ne ku timmalo ke ka fa men mu kafirolde wala motati i jus ngani yo jawyata fo ay ya disable mo ya fo mu kafirolde ikamuna manya siba why do you think it is worth that but anyway let me come to Bensouda be damento fokande the reason why I think this is important is because Adam Barrow ya mera tel tam Gambia you understand this is what he has been doing everywhere in Gambia and by the way Ibrahima Silla ndesan kabiren Ibrahima Silla be minister of communication kabiren watuma nyindata warola kabiro wata mo le start ka mol bali pamitol KMC la radio ma son ka pamito di wal ngamira municipal council yellu sembo men be dila anitol ko ye expectation o men be law you cannot even allow them to run a radio station me yalon ko mbadu ngal bina talib fon la diamo moy ako every 3 months sinya cleaner ka diam je for 1 hour akawla di si je kacha 3 months o kono e ka radio tel you know what me Adam Barrow blame na bar mbala minister blame la ni minister am ka jojadi de minister am ka ko nyande kala mari adam nyande kala bloody ass legal di nyande kala banku dingol de ke patriote ni wasi I mean some of you are just you don't deserve nothing in life because you are just a traitor when you can even imagine a community radio a community I wish ndala mo nyum la do nyaado ngode o community albo ni radio betamala abetamala or you face the community ni siva ka community mobilized to face them. How can you do that? A community radio, community radio, I think it's already in operational. I stand to be corrected in a way, but it was in all there. And the way they have been operating so far has not caused any threat to the government or the incumbent party. Nothing whatsoever. Ikatekela. Kalibe kana sono ya nyoro nyulugande. Yala ngola na telefona anyanta hanaman kanda nembo domandi. Nyilimo wolong yemen the minimum you can do is nisi da radio waro wadi fananke ike kumandi ike kajafala ko nsa kajafiri fon bari kajafiri ni mo e kule ke melo ga iba kuma kan la de wala iba tinya kana bari ye kumandi you call them out ye tolvo ye kumol ye sonk imam kutu jawol mu mendi ye ole itoga. These are bad actors, these are very bad people. But I don't have audio play.
We've also seen the KMC radio.
Yeah, so somebody asked me this morning and said, make sure when you go to QTV, you talk about how we still don't have a license.
Oh,
yeah,
you
so
don't have a license.
We still don't have a license. It's been running now for, I think, 1 year plus.
Yeah.
We have all the equipment. We have the personnel. We have the content. We have the capacity. We have the antenna, but still no frequency. All right, so that's unfortunate, and we know it's political. But we really want the authorities to know this is not Bensouda Radio. This is KMC Radio, and basically I'm going to leave. And what we want is for this to be part of our legacy. We want definitely to leave a frequency. We want our personnel to be highly motivated, and this is a free resource for even government.
Yep.
Right? So if you have been following this 1 year of content.
Just a pause, Dominic. Akanya mem for the Masakunda Fonse radio use no. B ning alamantanka example. Just a very simple example, a typical one. Ning sasa findi da bankoga wala kukira mela ko Masakunda ala fakadi amala mole within KMC. The most efficient, reliable and fastest way to reach out is to immediately walk through the doors of the radio station. Ye permission on je pour broadcasting. Ye KMC based. You don't even have to go through any kind of bureaucracy. Is it no world Masakunda Sinjamoto information or bonino the fat for after Niba Aranja? It's like more like Mansala Tamu in a way. But they are saying no. Atol Young has the little bit caring. Atol no well let's be frank here. Accountability is accountability. But KMC, you can only wonder how much they can achieve. Like, it is just incredible. It's just incredible. The only way for them to have something is to fighting habitat. They have to push them. Negotiate. After how many years Bantuda admit it is political. It's political. NPP la anu ni meche ku tole clean bi la fola baro ko ha kana son talibe ni radio le jam because na ba nyama talibe baro fana ni moy la moy baro has nothing to do with radio station or permit approval or anything ala psycho fan so lel tata fay ko talibe la ka radio le jam kana songal bulana you need to fight back, and when you are fighting back sometimes you are not even fighting the president directly, you are fighting those idiots, you are fighting those fools, you are fighting those commanding jelalalu, you fight them. You knock on doors. You take them to tribunals. By the way, both Talib and Yankuba, I think they need to come together and go to court. And in Rohi, and all of them, they need to go to court and demand for the subvention. Everything that they are doing without the subvention, is only subvention on that. Yala nyemolu Adam Baro Mohasi dolti. Adam Baro Mohasi diba anala molu belam.
I guarantee you have not seen any political content on it. Right. And I have a mayor's hour every 3 months, 1 hour every 3 months. And it's all about what KMC is up to. So it is truly, in spirit, a community radio. And I see no reason why the license would be withheld. Interesting.
Okay. Wofana danda woldo. Atamela silamba program dana. But to be honest, Gambia la tanya to be kolera. nyin kufulol men kere jang come try to look at this, both cases ye analyze bag ye kamen je wolon ko banko man pare kata nyaato it's not ready Obanko Mampare Garanyar. And you know, this Nalco KMC radio is a community thing. But there are several individual projects. Wala hanatul me nafulo so mbal silandila na Gambia investment ola Adam Baroko. Ni mandra parering purka NPP tisato don ke don lo kono. I mandra parering ka NPP tisato don ka lenyo fara. Kanade la kodo investo banko. I'm telling you. Everything is NPP. Hanen you spend time and finda nyaje hikopo ketaje force. Ilafta ka NPP nicely. Obare je lafa ka scam ake scamode ka fumole wilta luljo Spanish embassy ko hanide nko nalla agreement on mendi wolen ko Gambia la Ministry of Labor ye Department of Labor me ala ko jikita wolle be in processing be kala bari to start ko reka 50,000 amra mol bul ka fumole ko NPP funding kelu ko be fonni ko nime men jointa NPP ye 50,000 on njodron ibe passeport o bonni dron iba make sure ko yin soto ala barona la mol man fel fo politico ala ko mbala falti Allah ko mbala falti mbetto bi ko en la damen ro wolen ko baro akamata hani bi ngalon ko Facebook be duri non do mandi ngamira I wanted to bring that sama nyoldo because ku dole fana kira me yalon ko president Adam Barrow banko bula ya famle Adamay banko bula iko vice president nyanda tala Azerbaijan bari jani vice president ra Gambia jani vice president weta janato ndi dulato bodam kono Azerbaijan amanda actually namira nkonta fo mala fatara famanda nte confused to be very frank with you confused akola because it statement wone ko vice president kadala inara ko rege statement o bonni Ismaila Cisse ko vice president manta because president on vice president be de bonni no nyoba bar sa statement do le bonni num follow ke nte fo sa jumala jumati statement do wone ko vice president kadala because president ngalan ko be morogole dol fana be speculation o men ke kambari nga kumo fo janka fo dol ba report kanko president kada makile ya defana believe tano la bar dol fana ko askino ata jara lol okay no wala mba duala ala sa so jara kende ala bari mba fana mba dandala ko fana ka nyong politician nolu aning animel mantra kukring akar jara kende ya ning sima ya ko nganie ilmu ku kende balti ni molba politiko kono ibuka ku dol fo yeb so ndol be duala inte ngani yoto dem be duala president pour ala sa so sima ala ala sa so jara kende ya fana la bari hana bade won tolu nyinten tolu bulu niyo nyanga ten tolu bulu ndum jare kende afana ten bulabe ala la bulu atlaka di be duwala ala sa di le bari fana so duwa nyi kilo muru nenkan wala na jalba ko ngani yolle taranyo ya be dara ba ya na san so president Barrow la nyin ko ya be dundu no nyoto na be akata ten so wala na dol ko president de banko kan vice president de banko kan e ko fa bakari kada fana be dulal ko na Azerbaijan na fo min dola e kada fana pindi tan so dol fo ka ko Sidi Njale be in charge so Ismaila Cisse la faka nyin ko le fact anala fact check kala anala mol ko ha meno ba fo kan ko president ona vice president be finda to nyanden vice president bari to fon leste meno bana de lu men fo sital ko vice president kata Azerbaijan le ya ona sane so ene mo dol be nyola online na online activity dol ene mol be nyola le but ngalon ka be dada na masakunda these people cannot find anybody wanting for lying against them because he telephone le information or bondi mena ko they are contradictory. President of Morocco, Vice President Alga Kibaro Bonde Kwakata Azerbaijan le ngalongo Sidi Fabakar to mo jadam fana fintirine so e ko Sidi Njale be in charge ron alko hani Vice President be janna President Vice President be defindino fatro malongo almong President la aytnari almalon wadi man President bo bolanang Morocco ba fabe jaralo la fatara Macky Sall la yaba atul malo wadi man President bina altara stemeno bonal ko Vice President fana kana fin la kata Azerbaijan so sa nim mo le commentary kewdo wolbe keno wuliya fo lati nyade because ndel talo nanu nim Barrow ma fa nyanka tamale nim ima fa ko vice president be tamala ni ma fa ko speaker be tamala itele new information be bon bari na re ko ha wolbe fanya fo la bla bla ko mala lu nyuma la to balla wulo mu dal wala ta dol tare masakunda ko nana adol dalla wulu mu dal fo ngal bonne yin dulato adol ta wulu mu dal ala baraka ba kan de na programme mo de nanya Gambia ma be sona ama jabo dadi ala